Okay, she's out of the cuff. She's out of the cuff.
She's out of the cuff. She's out of the cuff. She's out of the cuff. She's out of the cuff.
Hey, Chapel, you're working against
She's out of the cuff.
Hey, Chapel.
On November 19th, 2023, West Palm Beach officers responded to a wrong-way driver who repeatedly refused to turn around.
Ma'am, you're going the wrong way. You cannot go this way.
Ma'am, you can't go this way.
No, you're not. You're going to make...
Going to park over there.
No, you're not.
You have to back up.
I'm telling you, you are not. No, you are not. You are going to reverse and go the right way. You're driving the wrong way on the wrong side of the road.
I'm not calling all these people out.
All the what people? Ma'am, your nose on with somebody right now. Please turn around and go this way. Ma'am, there are children on the roadway. Please make a U-turn and go this way. Please. No, you're in drive. Please turn around.
Please turn around. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Please reverse and go this way, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please go that way. Ma'am, we need a car over here.
Yeah.
9185 West Palm. Please get the car in front of Restoration Hardware. We have a vehicle that's going the wrong way, refusing to turn around.
I need you to turn around.
Good, at this point, we need somebody to come do it. Please signal. She's sitting down, bro.
No, you can't.
No, you cannot.
You either go that way,
coming to you.
you have to back up and go the proper way.
928.
Step out of the car, please. Step out of the car, please.
Step out of the car. What? Alright, where's your thing at? What are you talking about? Get out of the car. What are you talking about? Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Okay. Get out of the car. Right over here. Just stand right over here. What are you doing? And West Palm, we'll have one detained.
Doing right now is making me very, very upset. Okay? Are we done? We're not?
Ms. Swanson,
What?
before I continue and we
you
decide what we're doing with this, I'm going to read you something. I need you to let me know that you understand.
Can I
Okay?
get that off the...
Ms. Swanson,
No, take this. No. Take it off. I will listen when this is on.
this isn't a negotiation.
No, I understand.
But you're trying to tell us how to do our job.
No, I'm not.
That's not what we're
I
doing.
would like this off.
Okay, well right now you're being detained under the suspicion of DUI, which is what I'm doing. I'm doing a DUI investigation. Okay? I'm required to warn you before you make any statement, you have the following rights. You have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions. You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any questioning. Any statement may and can be used against you in the court of law. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Do you understand the things that I just told you?
No.
Okay. Well, because you understand, I'm not going to ask you any other questions that will incriminate you. However, what I'm going to do based on my observations of you, the observations of the officer that stopped you.
Can I do my test?
Well, they're not tests, they're tasks. Okay.
No,
but
it's a test.
Okay.
Like right here. If I didn't have this,
okay. Can you listen to me?
I can't do anything with my. Okay, I'm sorry. I can't do anything with my hands behind my back.
Your ears. He's speaking to you. Can you listen to him? He's been nothing but respectful. Just listen.
I am going to offer you the opportunity to perform the field sobriety tests, okay? Which does require the handcuffs to come off, all right? I have to give you the same thing I give everyone that I tell that has handcuffs on them.
You are humiliating me
I'm not.
right now in front of my job. Like,
I'm not doing anything. Okay? Now,
No, this is really,
I have
really
to
bad.
ask you-
This is really bad. This is really, 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 really bad. Okay, I was trying to go home. I was just trying to go home. Take me home.
You're trying to go
I
home.
want to go.
there's a sign right there that says no left turn, but you were trying to go home.
I live in Palm Beach Gardens. I'm trying to go home.
So then why would you be turning left here if you're trying to go home?
Well, I would point in the right direction, but my
The right direction is
over
that way to 95.
here. Sir, I'm letting you know.
This goes into the Hilton.
Okay, honey, I know. I live, okay, I would point, but I can't, okay? I need to go home to Palm Beach Gardens. It's that way. It's right. It's right.
So then why did you turn left?
Because I need to get out of this town and go that way. I'm trying to go home.
Then you should have just kept going straight.
Dude, I'm trying to go. Do you want to Google my address right now?
I know. I'm telling you right now.
Google
all you
my
had to do-
address.
all you had-
Google
Okay.
my address.
All you had to do is go straight.
4305 Birdwood Street. I want to go home right now.
Okay.
You take me home. I'll leave my car here. I don't care.
Well, you're okay.
Yeah,
that's
I'm
a-
not
that's a
trying to
moot
get
point
in
at this-
trouble.
at
I'm
this point.
not doing anything. I just want to go home.
All right. Are you
I
willing?
just want to go home.
Are you willing to do
Right
the field
now.
sobriety exercises?
Sure. No, but you know what? I'm not going to do it in front of. No, I'm not doing it
Would
in
you
front
like
of
us?
these people.
Would you like us to relocate you somewhere
Go.
that's not in front of people?
Yes.
Okay.
Come to my house. Let's go.
That's not going to happen. But we can take you somewhere where you will not be in front of
I'm
people.
not going to sit here and be humiliated. in
That's why
front
I'm
of you.
offering-
We're going to go that way, or I'm not doing any of this.
Okay. I am offering you to take
I am
you.
humiliated.
I am
right
offering
now.
you-
Get me the out of the street.
I am offering
My
you.
mother is going
Can you
to.
listen? We hear what you're saying.
You don't.
Listen,
No, you
we just
don't.
said we're going to relocate the test
You
here.
are killing me right now in
We
the
just
middle
said
of the street.
willing to
Get me
relocate.
out of here.
Okay, we just
People
said-
are going to see me.
We just said we were going to
No,
relocate.
it's not funny. Get off my arm. Stop touching me, or I'm going to report violence.
We will quietly relocate you somewhere to
Why am I sitting in the goddamn middle of the road?
as you drove your car the wrong way.
I'm literally, I'm going back. You can try to.
You want me to get the
Okay, he's
traffic cones up
I
the
mean, I
back?
have less cones than mine than he
He's
does.
hurting me.
Huh?
He's hurting me.
He's on the way?
He's hurting me.
Can you do me a favor though?
He's doing something.
Those cones right there
Fucking tell him.
are ours. So if you could stack them up and get them into one of these.
Stomp your foot.
Yeah, she did. Can you stop?
Did she stomp your foot? Okay. We're not doing the field sobrieties. Right now you're under arrest for DUI
No, I'm not.
and you're under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You just stomped his foot. That's battery.
Hey, the car's here.
Put her. All right. Put her in the back of that car.
No.
Put her in the back of that car.
No. Are you kidding me?
You just stepped on my toe. You just tried to be
You just told him. Oh my Jesus.
Hey, she's out of the car. She's out of the car.
She's out of the car. She's out of the car. She's out of the car.
Hey, Chapel, you're working again.
She's out of the car.
Hey, Chapel. Guys,
Wait.
Hatfield. Hatfield.
Hatfield, get out.
Time out.
Get out. Get out. Hold on. Hatfield, get out. Hatfield, get out. You have to.
Get off of me.
Now you're getting a resistant charge.
I don't even know. I'm not
Put her in the. Put her right here. Give me her left.
Guys.
Hey, hold on. Hold on.
Take her out.
I got it. I got it.
Over here now. We're good.
That hurts. That. Stop.
Pull it. Pull this. Pull this.
No, tighter.
Shut that door. No, shut that.
See the trouble. 10-15. Signal 1, 31 Leo, and resistant.
Right now, I'm going to read you something, okay? I need you to understand. At this point, right now, I'm requesting you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test? Yes or no?
I don't see why I should have to. You've been.
Is your answer yes or no?
No, my answer is you've been. No, my answer is no.
Your answer is no. Okay.
Yeah,
If you
you've
refuse,
been detaining
Sarah,
me.
let me
Okay,
finish.
my dad is dead, and he always told me.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So you're saying no to the breath test.
Why would I do a breath test when I've
Okay.
been in here?
Okay. If
Look.
you refuse to take, Sarah, sit down. If you refuse to take the test that I have requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for your first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege
Why?
has been previously suspended, or if you've been previously fined under Florida State Statute 327.
That makes no sense.
35215 for refusing to submit to a lawful test
That's
of
not
your
true.
breath.
Yeah.
Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you and your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you've been
It's
previously
never been.
fined under statute
Never in my life.
327.35215
I've never even gotten a ticket.
for refusal to submit to a lawful
No,
test of your
that's
breath,
not true.
you will be committing a misdemeanor. In addition,
No, that is
following other
not
penalties,
true.
which can be imposed by law.
That is not true.
Refusal to submit to the test I have requested is admissible into an evidence in
Call
any
my mom.
criminal proceeding.
Call my mother right
Do
now.
you still refuse to submit to this
Please
test?
call my mom.
I need a yes or a no. from
No,
you.
I need
Okay,
you to
no.
call my mom.
Refusal time is 6:43 on
Please,
November
can you
19th.
call her?
Close it. 6:43.
All right, Sarah, we're ready. We're leaving. He's taking you. Where else are you going? You're going to county jail.
Why am I going to
We've explained this already countless times. Can you stand up and turn around?
I will, but I would like first for you to let me know what I am being charged with.
Battery on a law enforcement officer. You
That's-
stepped on my foot. Okay.
I
telling you.
stepped
asked
on
me-
your
Yes,
foot?
it's on camera. We're not debating about this. You asked. I'm telling you.
I have
Resisting
never-
arrest and
I
DUI.
have never. Okay, you look like a newbie. It's okay. It's okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And I know what
But
I've seen and
no,
I know what happened.
I
So.
stepped on your foot.
All right, stand up. You
I
asked.
have
You got
never
your
in my
answers.
life.
Let's
Look,
go. Stand up.
Ma'am,
I'm gonna have
Please,
to. I'm gonna have to put him on you. Make your choice,
please
please.
stand, please stand up. Please
We're
stand
going
up.
to jail.
It's okay, I get it, ma'am. Please stand up.
Please.
Ma'am, let's not make this, please stand up. Put your hand behind your back for me. Thank you.
No, I want you to put them on
Okay,
me.
I'll put them on.
You get the away from me.
That's fine. Just put
You
your
get
hand-
the. Yeah. You
Okay.
laughing at this?
Ma'am, please.
Oh, you want me to put my hands up here?
No, I want you to put your hands on your back for me, please. Thank you.
No, I've never done this before. Get the f out of my face. You fucking. I stepped on your toe.
It's on
And
footage. It's on footage. You asked. I told you.
Dude, you are ruining my life. And guess
I
what?
didn't do anything to
Oh, no. I'm
You
sorry.
made your choices. That's
Uh-uh.
Can you put your hands as if you're praying so it don't hurt you? I don't want.
Like
I don't want
this,
your wrist
so
to
it
I
doesn't
am
hurt.
pregnant.
I said, man,
Praying
your wrist
like
like you're praying.
So your
I don't
wrist
hurt
don't hurt.
you. No, this way like you're praying. I don't want your wrist to hurt, man.
Put your hands
I
like
don't
this.
have underwear. And I'm not going to jail without underwear. So can you find some? You are so. Ow! Okay. No.
Relax.
No. No. No.
That's it, so it can't go any tighter. I'm trying.
No. No. Stop!
He's-
Stop!
I didn't do nothing. I'm done.
Take it a little bit. Like, do I look like
Like I
I can get
asked
out
you,
of
put your
these?
wrist like you're praying.
Stop!
Ma'am, I'm loosening
Can you
it for you.
re-
What do you want?
What do you
want?
want?
it loose? I'm loosening it for you. What are you going for?
I need them looser.
I'm
and I need
trying.
to Get the f- out of my
No,
face.
I'm present
No,
with him.
no.
Because you're gonna start saying we're doing things we're not doing. I'm here with him. He's gonna
All right.
fix
No,
it.
It's loose,
you can
right?
get the f- out of
No,
my face.
Ma'am, is it loose?
Can
Are
you
you
stop
good?
moving so we can
Can you
fix
do
it?
this one?
All right, give me a
Am
second.
I really gonna get out of them? No.
You already did on single pair earlier, so.
Shut fucking hate you. This one over
I'm
here.
doing it. I'm doing
Just
it.
don't move so we can take him down.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Trying to make it easier for you.
Yeah. True.
Turn your wrist this way, please, so you don't hurt
Go
your
f-
wrist.
yourself.
Are you good? Is that? I can't make them any looser than that. They come off.
I can't. No. No. This is too loose. What?
What do you mean?
Where
Ma'am,
am
I can fit my whole finger in there.
Ow! Okay, that hurts.
I'm letting you know I can fit my whole finger in there, so it's not too tight. I can fit my
You
whole
have
finger.
tiny fingers. I don't know what to tell you.
If you can put his finger in there, it's.
Well, he has tiny
tight enough.
fingers then. I'm
pretty sure
sorry.
I don't.
Well, I'm pretty sure.
All right. That's how they're going to be, ma'am. They're not meant for comfort.
Is
all
this
right?
what you wanted? Can
Let's
we
please
just
step
get
out.
like?
Can we please step out? Come on.
Can we just get like a photo? Before I get in.
Well, look at it. It's all on camera, man.
Vehicle 27 in mobile.
I'll go back to the officer for again. We'll have to make your dreams come true. You're the one said you always want to do it. I'm just trying to make you laugh.
I mean,
okay?
you're kind of hot. He's way hotter than you, by the way. You have a lot of work to do.
Well,
Yeah, you have
I'm
a
young,
lot of
so
work
I got a
to
lot of
do.
time.
Yeah, you're young and you suck.
Thank you. That'll help me.
Put a seatbelt on you, okay? I'm gonna reach across you, okay? Sit back, please. Sit back, please. Sit back, please.
You can't sit back.
But you need a
It's
floor.
on. Like, what do you want from me?
Just sit back for a second. Let me just grab it. Yo.
All right.
Body cam.
It's on.
Body cam. He touched my tip.
I did not.
That
He
didn't-
did.
that-
Y'all
he-
saw it.
You grab the seatbelt. All right. Don't do that. Don't do that. All right.
You owe me.
Oh, good.
Sarah Marie Swanson was charged with battery on specified personnel, DUI, fail to obey police and resist officer, or obstruct without violence.